Jen Humphrey style.
Take one out. Take one out. Shove it to them.
Okay.
Say stop.
Stop.
Say it in there. Do you have a wallet?
Iba to, naganap na ng wallet.
Open it. Okay, so here's your card, right? First part, 5 of hearts, alright. So we're gonna put the 5 inside, just like that. And close it. That's alright. And remember this card, King of Clubs. Alright, so watch the king. Ready? Here's the move. Watch. Look. If I hit it, see the 5? Comes out. You roll it.
Hindi ko nakita ng live yun. Sa TV ko na lang nakita.
Ooh. Yeah. The wallet move.